Titan 530 is now available on Propane. The exclusive 21-inch Propane monodirectional floor grinder, fully gear-driven. Offering unmatched productivity and performance. Effective weight distribution, perfect balance, maximum working pressure, and is easy to handle. Fully tempered steel transmission for maximum reliability and durability, and no belts subject to breakage. Sealed planetary unit provides better protection against dust and external agents, ensures lower maintenance costs, and maximum reliability over time. Special anti-shock bushings to prevent damage from accidental impact. 17 HP oversized motor. Reinforced clutch. Optimized suction system. Easy access battery pack. Compact and robust structure. Metal shroud. EcoSense emissions monitoring system, a device that monitors exhaust gases and shuts down the engine if emissions levels become too high. Folding handle to optimize space for transport, loading, and storage. Quick attach system, magnetic plates. 12 gallons tank with water feed adjustment.